People tell stories about its name. Gwader, dar. Gwad for wind and dar for door. The door of the wind in Balochi is the story.
Guys, so I'm here in Gwader again. I'm actually here for the second time and I'm so excited to get started and start telling you all the new stories of Gwader that I have found since my last visit. But first things first, I'm gonna make an Instagram story just about being here. So I've got good data coverage here thanks to Jazz. Hi guys, I'm here in Gwader finally. I'm so excited to be here again, and today I'll be showing you around the city with a slightly different, more authentic perspective than when I was here last time. So let's get started. Now let's go and upload this thing and then we'll be on our way to discover the local authentic flavors of Gwader itself. Upload, upload, upload.
In this vlog, I want to tell you 3 stories about Gwader. 1 about a place, 1 about a tradition, and 1 about a young changemaker. So, let's get started with the first one. The thing about Gwader is that these days, it's most commonly known as the upcoming rising business hub of Pakistan with significant links to China. But it has its own soul too. And where better to find that soul than in a local market?
I've just arrived at a local market here in Gwader, and what I'm actually looking for is some local fabric, because I've been spotting women here and there all over the place who are wearing these incredible dresses, and I think I want in on some of that action.
It's little observations like this that, to me, reveal the soul and the spirit of a city, that reveal a bit about its community, about its people, how they dress, what they love, what they use every day. But back to the dresses now.
I'm just in the middle of this incredible shop that has all these typical Balochi fabrics and textiles. And so many things here are just, they look like they're handmade, hand embroidered. I'm not sure. But look at all these colors. It's just so beautiful. I think I want to get a dress made here.
Yes, Pakistan is pretty well known internationally for some of its incredible fabrics and style and fashion, but Balochistan, not necessarily. So I myself was surprised to find out that this place has its own unique style and culture of dressing. The entire market was quite a revelation. In fact, I loved walking through it and just feeling the pulse of the city. But let's zoom out and talk about a tradition right here in the heart of Gwader. A tradition that dates back centuries. Gwader has always been a port city, connecting to the Gulf and to India and even further afield. And there is one place that still reminds you of these traditions, of ships, naval journeys, and far-flung places.
I can pretty much guarantee that this is content you have never seen before on YouTube. We have come to one place that not many people have talked about here in Gwader. No, this has nothing to do with business, this has nothing to do with CPEC. This is the shipyard of Gwader, where men still make these old, beautifully painted wooden boats right here in the heart of Pakistan's future business district. I'm gonna go and see how these boats are actually made. So this is the place that you go to when nature calls out on the open sea. But I wouldn't want to fall into the water while,
Inspired by this grand, somewhat forgotten place, I decided to stay here. I had one more mission to accomplish today here in Gwader.